don't listen, Dave. I don't think you ever really hear me. You just ask the same questions every week. How's your job? Are you having any negative thoughts? All I have are negative thoughts.
Have you seen what it's like out there, Murray? Did you ever actually leave the studio? I don't know why everyone is so rude. I don't know why you are. I don't want anything. Maybe a little bit of warmth. Maybe a hug, Dad. How about just a little bit of fucking decency? What is it with you people?
You used to tell me that my laugh was a condition, that there was something wrong with me. There isn't.
You got nothing left to lose. Nothing can hurt me anymore. My life is nothing but a comedy.
You think this is funny?
I do. And I'm tired of pretending it's not. How about another joke, Ray? Knock, knock.
So hard to describe being happy all the time. I haven't been happy 1 minute of my entire fucking life.
Why did you give him these flowers?
No, they're not real. It's magic.
I'm pursuing a career in stand-up comedy.
Can you please stop bothering my kid?
Sorry, I'm just trying to make him smile. My mother always tells me to smile and put on a happy face.